guys, so we continue testing FLASH64 box with different phones and CPUs, and today we have in hand Samsung Galaxy A36 5G A366B model. This phone based on Qualcomm CPU, but unfortunately we cannot service this phone through EDL port because on this model EDL closed for several hours, and currently no solution for this. So we have only the one right way in this case. It's soldered directly to memory using ICP pinout and erase 3P partition directly. So as I told before, it's Qualcomm CPU, and I think we will not have any problems with connection because Qualcomm CPU is stable at all. You can see ICP pinout on screen now. We will solder GND and just data lines TXOP, TXON, RXOP, and RXON. So let's disassemble phone. Customer sent it to me already disassembled. Let's disconnect antenna, battery, and flex cable, and then we can remove motherboard. Yep. Now we need to locate where are our pins. I think it's somewhere, looks like here. Yep. Let's head a little. Alright, and let's make a little cut. Nice. And now let's remove this part of protection. Good. Just a second, guys. All right. Nice. And here our points, friends. So let's move to video scope and start soldering. As always, I recommend first connect some board, because if we will do this after, we can damage some wires that we soldered. All right, and here are the points. Okay. So let's clean them first, and after this we will solder to them. Let's take a new one blade. And let's clean mask. By the way, let's check without. Okay, first need to clean mask, and after this ink we can switch off LED from video scope. So I think this has been enough. Let's clean next one. All right. By the way, let me make a little pause. Mahmoud Ivanovich, my respected bro, removed Power IC from Pixel that we killed in previous video, and currently here revolving Power IC, and then we will check the result. So guys, currently not all lost it with Pixel, but the main question, does we overheated CPU or no? Because I think that unfortunately yes. Alright, pins cleaned, so we can start to solder. Let me switch off light once again. Seems like better with LED in this case. Okay, now let's position the box. And solder first GND. GND will be soldered, I think, here. Looks like soldered, so now we can solder all other pins. Let me try to understand which one where. So looks like we will start from RixON. Here we go, guys. Alright, and I'm injured my hand with solder. It's a little bit sad, but anyway. So, RixON, it's pin number 4, so let's solder it first. Looks like soldered. Next one, RixOP. RixOP pin number 5. Okay, now and left. Left TXOP and TXON. So TXON we should solder here. TXON is pin number 2. looks like soldered, and the last one, T6P pin number 3. So, I think solder it. Let's recheck this. Let me disconnect ICP adapter and let's check every pin. So, T6P we have. RIXY also, and RIXP, this one I think also soldered. So let's guys connect ICP adapter back. Nice. Now we should connect USB cable. To phone and connect box to PC. So let's do this carefully. All right. And one more connection. It's two. I hope nothing damaged. So let's run FLASH64 and try to connect our device to box. And white box not recognized. Unplugged USB cable inside box, not up to the end. That's why. Right, so let's set PWM G4. I think this one we should try first, but I think also it doesn't matter. We can set auto and software will set the best gear. We will recommend to set best gear when memory will be recognized. So once again, let's check what's gear models possible here, where is supported, and we have HSG3, so I think it will be a little bit quickly. Anyway, we will test this after. So let's remove VP first. Format VP partition, okay. As you can see, connection is stable because it's Qualcomm phone, Qualcomm CPU, and you do not try to run every time. Now let's erase cache and user data. By the way, I will use Samsung Vibe. It will be so PWMG4, we have 4 megabits per second. Let's try to reconnect UFS with G3, HSG3, and check speed after. By the way, software told it's supported, but when I try to connect, okay, what if HSG2? Again, okay, HSG1. Seems like this mode is possible only in socket. Yep, and through ACP we have only PWM modes, as I understand. Anyway, let's try to reconnect again and write reset command to MISC partition, and I think then we can disconnect phone. Alright, so what we have, it's Android 15, and where is security patch? May. No, not May, April. But in this model it doesn't matter. In any case, it's not supported in ideal mode, as I told before. Let's choose Samsung Vibe data, and unfortunately this option not working in this model, so let's use another trick. Just erase a part of user data. We can see that erasing successful, and now we can close connection, disconnect box. After this, do not forget to disconnect box from PC, power from PC, and now we can desolder phone from adapter. So let's do this. Now let's desolder also GND. Done. Now we need to clean this iron. Nice. Alright, and now we can assemble phone back and check it. Very nice. So friends, as I told before, there is no any problems with Qualcomm based phones connections. We can connect memory using ICP pinout without any problems. Let's do factory reset because we have empty user data partition. Need to create a file system. So guys, now let's wait for booting. And phone booted now, we can check it. Let's select language. We can see that FreeRP icon disappeared now. That means that FreeRP unlocked. And we have work and skip option for neutral connection. Let's quickly pass it up. And yup, we are on the home screen now. And phone unlocked and job done. Let's check firmware version as well. And you can see Android 15 and 1st April 2025 security patch. So guys, thanks all for watching. Press like if you like this video, follow channel, and if somebody needs remote unlocks like user logs, FreeRP or network logs, or maybe easy Jtag Beta, you can always inbox me with number in video description. See you later, friends.